Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to capture, record any YouTube video online at any time for free, or any video for that matter online for free. I've been using this service now for 10 plus years. It's never failed me. It's been my bread and butter. As a matter of fact, I'm recording this video right now as we speak from this product called Screencastmatic. I've tried other services that supposedly are free. The next thing you know, the next week, the next month, they've gone out of business, or there's some glitch with it, or it's not compatible with Google Chrome or Firefox or some other issue or Mac or whatever. So the only thing you have to do is just go Screencastmatic.com, and I'll put the link in the description. And you can either download the software and have it on your computer, or you can just do like a standalone version. So basically you just go to Screencastmatic.com, you have your own account, you log in, and then you can start capturing. So I'll show you what it looks like when you have it on your computer. You can see here that it's actually keeping my videos recorded. So I have access to my videos, and so the only thing I do is simply just hit record. Right now, so the very first video I showed you here on YouTube at the very beginning, you could see this little line here, this black and white line. So I can fit what I'm capturing on real time, and I can make it as big as I want to or as small as I want to. So for example, on YouTube with fair use, a lot of times I'll make videos of clips, and I don't want to show the screen like it is on someone else's videos. So what I'll do is I'll minimize this and make it just say for her face. Or maybe I might do the whole YouTube screen, right? And so you can make it bigger or smaller and splice it, and then as you capture it and record it, then you can edit it at the end. So another great thing with this software, as you can see, I have the webcam of my face talking at the same time. So I can move this image anywhere on the video, or my video of my webcam, as I'm screen capturing the screen, or I could just make it to where it's just me. So as you can see here, I'm recording right now is just me of the webcam, and you could toggle back and forth from the screen back to your face, or as we can see here, both with my webcam and the screenshot at the same time.
They just checked. What did they
like
do?
one of them, like the winning.
So as you can see here, I'm capturing the video as it's playing. So for example, if the video that you're wanting to capture is 10 minutes long, it will take you 10 minutes to capture the full video. If it's 5 minutes long, it'll take you 5 minutes. So what you're doing is you're capturing and recording the video as it's playing. You're not just downloading the file, for example. This gives you an example how I can minimize and just record the screen, or I can make it bigger, or I can do the whole screen, or I could just do the face, for example. Screencastmatic is so easy, a 5-year-old could use it. As you can see here, this is like the settings, and right now I got selected where I'm using my Blue Yeti microphone. You could toggle it and use your webcam's microphone or the computer audio. You can mute the computer audio and just have your voice as it's recording. Again, super easy to use. It is free. Keep in mind there will be a watermark on your video on the bottom left that says Screencastmatic. And this is Crazy New York Driver here on YouTube, and this is all he uses is Screencastmatic. And as you can see here, here's like a little small watermark on the left. And I used this with a watermark for years. I had nobody complain about it or say, hey, there's a watermark on your video. And so that's the reason it's free. Now, if you wanted to pay $15, then you could get the watermark off, and then they give you other features. And as of right now, I'm paying $15 because I record so many videos, and so I feel like it's worth it, the 15 bucks. But so many people, teachers and all the different professions, they just do it for free, and no one even notices the little watermark. Try it out. Let me know if you've used it, and if you have, tell me what you think about it, if you like the quality of it, and how it's performing for you. And make sure you subscribe to me, and I'll see you on the next one.